Hey guys, I told you I'd make a video of the Ambassador, so we're gonna go around it, but this is also going to be for AMC guys and anybody that has an old car with headlight adjusters out of it. We still got them all sitting here. There's the 67. There's my Duster. Oh, I have my Scamp here. This is that Ambassador. One of my tips is crooked. I gotta get that straightened. It's bugging the shit out of me. Oh, check this out. Ready? Oh, we disconnected the battery. Don't you laugh at me. Yeah. And now I can't post it because you got cuss words in it. Let's try this again. Ready? Now it won't even start. What'd you do to my car? What'd you do to my car? It's hanging in the air and it won't start. That's weird. Yeah. Fires right up. But this is what I wanted to talk to you guys about. See that neoprene stand for the headlight adjusters? We got these from Top Flight Automotive out of Florida. Did a little modifying. Had to drill the back of the bucket. They mounted right up. Well, there was a tab on this for Corvettes. Had to cut the tab off. They mounted right up. All four of the headlight adjusters work perfect. So if you guys, any of you guys, have neoprene adjusters that are broke, I don't know if this is 68. I don't know if they're the same kind. I think these are metal and springs. It's hard to say. That's a 68. Gotta get them. They work, man. They work good. So that's for anybody struggling looking for parts, man. They will work. You might have to re-drill holes on your buckets, but they work. So there you go. Headlight fixing. Peace.